Hey traders, here's your quick rundown on today's biggest moves in Forex, crypto, and stocks. Let's dive in. The Euro USD is trading sideways on Friday and is poised to form a bullish Harami candlestick pattern, which hints that the uptrend in the long term remains intact. Nevertheless, a clear break of the July 3rd high of 1.1809 is needed ahead of testing the yearly high of 1.1830. Once those levels are cleared, the next stop will be 1.1850 and 1.1900. Conversely, if Euro USD tumbles below 1.1750, it opens a door to a potential decline to 1.1700. In the event of further weakness, the next support level will be the June 12th high at 1.1631. Meanwhile, GBP USD is hovering near 1.3050, down slightly from June's multi-month highs amid speculation over the Bank of England's next rate move. Key takeaway: dollar strength may persist, but stay ready for swings around July 9th. Bitcoin has held steady around the $108,000 price level in recent days. After bouncing back from a brief pullback near $105,500 on Wednesday, Bitcoin recently tested $109,000 again in the past 24 hours. A popular crypto analyst has shared a long-term Bitcoin bull run cheat sheet that claims that the cryptocurrency has now entered into the final phase that will lead to massive price gains. On sentiment boards, traders give Bitcoin about a 50% chance of hitting $115,000 by year-end, citing ETF inflows and macro stability. Readings from Ethereum USD one-day chart confirm that Ethereum has been consolidating within the $2,750 to $2,424 price range since early May. If institutional investors increase their buying pressure and broader market sentiment improves, the coin could rally toward the $2,750 resistance level and potentially attempt to break out above it. If successful, Ethereum's price could climb further to around $3,067. U.S. markets were closed on July 4th for Independence Day. Futures on the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and NASDAQ are down about 0.3%. reflecting profit-taking after the indices notched fresh records in early July. Tesla futures slipped 2.6%, pressured by softer Q2 deliveries and lost EV credits. Uber popped 11.8%, breaking out on strong ride-sharing demand. Keep an eye on Nvidia and Mobileye both remain in buy zones on IBD scans. That wraps up today's Lightning Update. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really means a lot. See you in the next one.